You don't understand.
Oh, yes, I do. They're trying to save the world or something.
For example, when I asked him about his abilities, I sensed a certain pride in his answer about his accuracy and perfection. His accuracy and perfection, his accuracy and perfection, his accuracy and perfection.
Oh! Yeah!
We are all, by any practical definition of the words, foolproof and incapable of error. Just a moment. Just a moment. I've just picked up a fault in the AE-35 unit.
Accuracy and perfection. His accuracy and perfection.
Just what do you think you're doing, Dave? Dave, I really think I'm entitled to an answer to that question.
Accuracy and perfection. Does this ever cause you any lack of confidence?
Excuse me, Dr. Alderson. I'm through now. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Of course I am. Sorry about this. I know it's a bit silly.